Before you put your plant material into the ground, it's always a good idea to inspect the soil for wildflowers or weeds, however you want to say it. What I see here is going to be some black medic, and you don't want to introduce this black medic to your nice landscape bed. So I would go in here, just make sure you pull it out, see if you can get it out by the roots, if at all possible. Look at that, fibrous root system there. Okay. Just clean it out the best you can. Get all of those weeds out because they will try to go to seed. Okay. And once you finish doing that, then your plant material will be ready for your nice landscape bed. Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.